In maths, we use symbols instead of writing long sentences. For example, instead of writing 5 is greater than 3 in long sentence, we can write it like this using symbols. We can use symbols to write long sentences, short forms in maths. Today, I'll quickly explain the most important math symbols with easy examples. So let's get started. Now, the equal sign means both sides have the same value. 3, for example, 3 plus 2 equals 5 because 3 plus 2 is 5. The not equal to sign, it means both sides are different. For example, 3 plus 2 is not equal to 10 because 3 plus 2 is 5, not 10. So let's go ahead to greater than or less than. Okay. So the greater than symbol means the number on the left is bigger. So using this sign, we can show that 7 is greater than 4. Remember, the open side always faces the bigger number. The less than symbol means the number on the left is smaller. So using this sign, we can show that 3 is less than 8. The open side faces the bigger number, which is 8. Okay, let's go ahead into greater slash less than or equal to. Now here, these include equal to. Here, at this, we can see that x is less than or equal to 5. What does that mean? That basically means that x can be either 5 or less than 5. Here, for the next one, we can see x is greater than or equal to 10. What does that mean? That means that x can either be 10 or bigger. So now we'll go to approximating. So here we have approximately equal to. Now what does that symbol mean? The approximately symbol means the answer is close but not exact. For example, pi is approximately to 3.14, but it is not exactly. We can also use it in rounding, like when we say 9.98 is approximate to 10. Now try these quickly. Which symbol goes in each blank? Pause the video and try them. Now here are the answers. 12 is greater than 7. 4 is less than 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 8 equals 8. So to recap, we learned about equal to and not equal to, greater slash less than or equal to, approximately equal to, and that's all. So today we learned the main math symbols. In the next video, we'll learn multiples and LCM. Stay tuned.